Does your PowerPoint presentation look dull? Fear not. In this video, I will show you how to set Microsoft PowerPoint themes to your slide and the benefits of using the best PowerPoint templates. What exactly is a PowerPoint theme? Microsoft PowerPoint themes are pre-designed presentation templates with fonts, colors, layouts, and effects applied to your slides. Especially both text and graphics directly have a format on the size, placements, and colorful design by a particular theme, which saves you some time doing the manual work. How to apply Microsoft PowerPoint themes. First, open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Second, go to the Design tab. Then, click the up and down arrow button to see different designs. Lastly, select a specific PowerPoint theme that suits your proposal. To begin with, follow these instructions. To custom theme color for your PowerPoint templates. First, go to View tab, then click Slide Master. Then choose Colors. After you click Colors, select Customize Colors. A dialog box will open. In the Theme Colors section, select a specific name of the theme colors you want to edit, then choose a color under it. In the name box, type any name of that new combination you created and click Save. Lastly, after you save the personalized color scheme, it is available on the Color drop-down menu. Next, to change the theme fonts, you need to go to the View tab and click Slide Master. Select Fonts. After you click Fonts, navigate and select Customize Font. A dialog box for Create New Theme Fonts will appear. Navigate for Heading Font and Body Font. Choose a particular font design you want to display in your presentation deck. In the name box, type a name for that new theme font and click Save. Select your theme effects. Navigate and click Effects. Choose a set of effects you want to apply to your PowerPoint template. Save your customized Microsoft PowerPoint theme. Select Themes. In the Themes section, navigate and select Save Current Theme. Click Save on the File Name box after giving the theme a proper name. The benefits of using a PowerPoint template. Professional graphic layouts. Business branding. Time efficient. Easily editing. Consistency. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. See you soon!